Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. With well-known image generator AI like Bing, Leonardo, and Midjourney, there is one which stands out from the rest due to its generosity to the free users and its unique features. Introducing CRAI. CRAI has come a long way since its first launch back in March 2023. You can create stunning human-looking alike AI images using test prompts. It just doesn't stop there. One feature that caught my attention was their AI face swap feature. Also, at the end of this video, we will provide you with a summary on why CRAI is better than most of the competitors. So let's get started. First, at the top right, log in using Google account. After login, at the top left menu, click on Swift AI. Once you are in Swift AI, there are numerous features you can explore. We will click on AI Face Swap. Here's how it works. You can upload your own template or use one of their sample templates. Then upload the face you want to swap with. So let's check out some of their templates first.
꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 갈까 말까 갈까 말까 갈까 말까 갈까 말까 갈까 말까 완벽한 날씨
Okay, so let's use this video. Click on the plus icon, label select a face, and choose your picture. It can be your own face, a friend face, or even a celebrity. I have chosen Taylor Swift. It costs 3 stamina per second to generate. Now it's going to cost me 22 stamina. Click generate and let's wait for the result. Pretty impressive, right? You can use your own photo in this video and have some fun with it. Plus, here you can choose different video category as templates. Now let's try an image face swap. So image face swap works just like the video face swap but with still images. Costing only 3 stamina per image, let's use this image and swap with Scarlett Johansson. Let's generate and see how it goes. Pretty neat, right? Let's try a few more since we have tons of stamina. So let's talk a bit more about CRAI. The real reason why CRAI is better than most of the competitors was because their community is mainly based on free users and you can access almost all features using a free account. So here are the details. So free account gets 150 stamina and it resets daily. Generating still images costs only 1 to 4 stamina. Video will cost you 3 stamina per second. You can use multiple Gmail accounts for more stamina. You can support them by buying extra credits. And finally, both AI and human customer support live chat are also available for free users. Even semi-advanced users can navigate and utilize CRAI easily with a free account. I will leave the link to CRAI in the description. Check out their other features. They all follow a similar process. Choose a template, upload your picture, and generate. Some features require text prompts, just like text-to-image generations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in next video.